Dear boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today is a very, very momentous day for all of us. And I can assure you, you people are going to listen to a very, very illustrious personality from the armed forces. Lieutenant General Vashisht, he has been awarded many times, including Ati Vashisht Seva Medal and Vashisht Seva Medal twice. So he's an illustrious person with lots of knowledge, lots of experience, and the biggest thing that goes in his favor amongst the other army officers that keeps him apart from the others, he has been Director General of National Cadet Corps all over the country. 17 lakhs plus cadets under him and almost about 10 to 15,000 officers working under him. So his experience is that great. And I'm sure you all are going to take advantage of all his experience. He's going to tell you some words of wisdom, and those pearls must be submitted by you in a very, very careful manner. Whatever each word is going to speak is going to be something, I would say, a Ramband for you guys. And of course, I'll discuss with you tomorrow, as I had already told you, after his lecture is over. But then please make the maximum use of it. And sir has also been a regimental artillery officer, a general cadre. He knows about everything about the armed forces, everything about motivating you for the armed forces, everything about interacting with you, your psychology, your conditions. He understands everything in a very, very in-depth manner. So please listen to him carefully. All of you, as I insist, make notes. And thereafter, in the end of it, whatever time we are left with, you must ask him questions personally. I will not be talking to him because I've been talking to him for the last 42 years. Now you should be talking to him to get the maximum out of him. And with that, I'll hand you over to General Vashisht. Sir, all yours, sir. Children are eagerly waiting to listen to you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Vijay. आपका बहुत हार्दिक धन्यवाद. Dear boys and girls, who is this man talking to you? This man who is talking to you was born in a place where you can't see the contours of that place on Google even today, 63 years after his birth. You are talking to a man who as a child was mesmerized by the sound of a bus as to which is this world where buses fly. And many more things I can say. Why am I saying all this? I am saying this to tell you, you have no control over the circumstances of your birth. You can be born in a street, you can be born in a metro, you can study in a convent, you can study in a government school or in some school which you think is so-called low society kind of an establishment. But there are certain fundamentals which if you follow in life place you on equal pedestal with anyone in the world. So in that backdrop, I am going to talk to you on essentials, fundamentals of life based on my life experience as a child and later in the service. And as Brigadier Vijay has told you, perhaps I did have the fortune to retire from the highest rank that Army can offer. All right. इस बैकड्रॉप के साथ में मैं अभी आपको थोड़ी सी ओरिएंटेशन करूंगा, अपना समय लूंगा on fundamentals of leadership and which are the essence of success in life in whatever you do. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपका एक ध्यान आकर्षण करना चाहूंगा on what you see in the viewfoil. What do you see in it? You see on top 3 pics, a boy and 2 girls. Where are they from? They are from the northeast. They are from up north in Punjab, and they are from somewhere central and southern India. You go slightly left on the screen, there is yet another girl. trying to do some adventure activity in the curriculum that is there in National Cadet Corps. Since from where I drew this picture, I draw a lot of inspiration incidentally from National Cadet Corps, because that is the foundation of fountainhead of the future of India as far as the youth is concerned. As you go to right, you see some pictures of young boys and girls in action. You see some pictures where people are taking both. They are holding the flag of India and moving ahead. They are not in uniform. And if you go on the view foil at the bottom, what is it we are doing? We are holding hands of each other, and only then our nation will progress as we envisage it to be. So, boys and girls, this picture depicts a message. I am because we are. I am because we are. This is the first lesson I want you all to draw in life. सेना में जाओ, सिविल में जाओ, कोरियोग्राफर बनो, बिजनेस करो, खेती बाड़ी करो, ऑफिसर बनो, जवान बनो, पुलिस में जाओ, डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो, केमिस्ट बनो, शॉपकीपर बनो, जो भी बनो. But I am because we are. Never forget this in whatever you do in life. Never forget this if you are an aspirant in Service Selection Board and trying to get selected for higher echelons of life. I am because we are. And this is the first fundamental which I tried to depict on the picture in front of you. I was also the commandant of the Officers Training Academy. I was also the commandant where the recruits, the Jawans of Indian Army are trained, from a boy who picks up a bag, alights from train or a bus, and 42 weeks later, he stands tall enough to carry the flag of India with head held high and जिसको हम कहते हैं गर्दन collar touch, with all the chest out and right. This transformation, the sense of my training in the establishment and my learning is I am because we are. And there will be 4 or 5 more issues that I will talk of. So I will focus on the youth and fundamentals of leadership. And before I begin, I extend to you my best wishes. Best wishes for what, boys and girls? Best wishes to you. Firstly, आपको इन समय के साथ जो हम जूझ रहे हैं उसके लिए बेस्ट विशेस. रक्षाबंधन जो कल गया उसके लिए बेस्ट विशेस. आपके माता पिता, भाई बहन, दोस्त, बंधु, आपके गली मोहल्ले, गांव, सबको हमारा सादर नमन. लेकिन my best wishes go for two more things, and that is I extend my best wishes to you so that for yourself you can have a value system that makes you a stronger and a superhuman being. May you evolve a value system for yourself. Nobody can teach and preach this from outside. They can just expose you to values. Be a man or a woman of substance on value system. And my best wishes to you so that you can set yourself goals with which you can soar. Let these goals be pragmatic, based on self-evaluation, and once set, my wishes to you for their pursuit with entire earnest endeavors. Now, I will quickly state, थोड़ी सी मैं बातें बताऊंगा जो आप सब जानते हो. हमारा देश इस समय पर क्या है? 65% से कम लोग, 65% या उससे ज्यादा लोग 35 साल से कम उम्र के, 60 करोड़ के लोग 29 साल से नीचे, हमारी 130 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन में, आधी पॉपुलेशन 29 साल या उससे नीचे, और 35 ईयर्स से नीचे 65% पॉपुलेशन. सो देयरफॉर व्हाट इज यूथ? इट इज आवर एसेट. It is a demographic asset. Now, if this is an asset, how long it becomes liability? What are the things, if not attended to, will turn this asset into liability? What are these? First, all of you need to have a skill to yourself. The skill can be academic, the skill can be managerial, the skill can be technical, technological, some skill based on which you can lead a life. But more important than that is life skills, soft skills. Now, ये बोलना आसान है, लेकिन अपने moral dilemma से ऊपर उठ के life skills that you need to develop in you are primarily 5. सबसे पहले चरित्र, character, discipline. Discipline, boys and girls, separates animals from human beings, or human beings from animals. And discipline is not when you are seen. Discipline is when you are not seen. So after character and discipline comes comradeship. And comradeship is the spirit of Ubuntu. Ubuntu, I'll talk about it later. Right now, just remember the word Ubuntu. I am because we are. And thereafter is sacrifice and spirit of adventure. The whole sum of life skills, whatever we talk in 100 ways, it sums up in these 5: character, discipline, comradeship, spirit of adventure and spirit of sacrifice. अपने माता पिता से पूछिएगा कि व्रत की महिमा क्यों है. आपकी माता जी ज्यादा बताएंगी कि वो व्रत क्यों रखती हैं आपके लिए. And what is sacrifice? If you have 100 rupees and you donate 5 rupees, it is not a great sacrifice. But if you have 10 rupees and you donate 5 rupees, it is sacrifice. If you have made some notes for yourself for your examination day after tomorrow, and I come to you that I need to refer to your notes, can you give it to me? And you need these notes to the most. If you let go and give it and share it with your friend, that is sacrifice. Sacrifice is not giving something. Sacrifice is giving something that you need for yourself. All right? And adventure is go for it, boys. If it's a sunny morning, go out, venture out. What sweat? It doesn't matter. If it's a stormy night, go for it. No storm can stop you. Wherever you see or perceive danger, try and venture out. Okay? So these 5 skills will be seen in you wherever you go for selection or progression in life. In SSB, in selection, and later when you become leaders and you want to rise up the pedestal, then they become the benchmarks of your being, good or great. तो इनको ध्यान रखिएगा. मैं फिर एक बार दोहराऊंगा. कैरेक्टर, डिसिप्लिन, कॉमरेडशिप, स्पिरिट ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस एंड एडवेंचर. इनसाइड इनके साथ में आपको अपनी सारी एनर्जीज को चैनलाइज करना है. जब आप अपनी एनर्जीज को चैनलाइज करते हो तो जैसे शाहरुख खान और ये सब एक्टर बड़े बड़े लोग कहते हैं, सारी कायनात मिलके आपका कार्य करने में जुट जाती है. All right, now this much my central message. Now what do I see? when I talk of nation building. After all, what is a nation? Nation comes from a word called natio. Natio, Latin word. Natio, actually, natio, it applies to birds, it applies to flocks, it applies to tribes, it basically applies to collection of living beings. Okay. And from there, the term got applied to nation. Now, nation building is a daunting task. क्या हमारा देश सही है? मैंने कुछ फिगर आपके इसमें रखे हैं, पता नहीं आप अब मोबाइल से शायद देख रहे होगे व्यू फाइल को. ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स, हम कहाँ पर हैं? 131st. We may not be the poorest nation in the world, but we have the largest collection of poor people in the world. For sure. In terror, where are we? Eighth. Eighth means in the negative sense. Afghanistan, Iraq, Uganda, Sudan, इन सब के बाद में हमारा नाम आता है. क्या ये सही है? क्या हम अपना दर्पण नहीं देखते हैं? जेंडर इक्वालिटी और इनइक्वालिटी, औरतों की कितनी पूछ है हमारे देश में? 29th in the world. 29th. And are we a superpower then? Who will make it superpower? You, me, all of us put together. But why am I telling you all this? Is because the whole process of nation building, it depends on people. And who's the prime driver? It is youth. Rest are all secondary. Partnerships, processes, problem solving, the whole nation building depends on 5 P's. 5 P's. People, partnership, processes, problem solving, and purpose. Now, rest I will not talk of, but I wanted to drive home the point, and youth is the prime driver of nation building. Who said this? It is said by a Dutch research philosopher in renown in 1882, if I am not wrong. And that stands good even today. So therefore, boys and girls, so much about how important you are to the nation. So if this is the prime driver, how do I see it today? इसमें सही नहीं मानना, बुरा नहीं मानना, गलत नहीं मानना. जो मैं समझता हूं कि हमारी आज यूथ के अंदर कुछ क्वालिटीज हैं, उसको मैं उनकी स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेसेस को किस तरह से देखता हूं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज को, थ्रेट्स को, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट व्याख्यान करूंगा. व्हाट आर देयर स्ट्रेंथ्स? जागरूक हैं, जानते हैं, लेकिन वेल राउंडेड नहीं है. जानते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी जानते हैं, तो माइथोलॉजी नहीं जानते हैं. माइथोलॉजी तो जानते ही नहीं है. फिजिकल जानते हैं तो इमोशनल नहीं जानते हैं. जो ज्ञान है वो वन साइडेड, लिमिटेड, एक स्कोप के अंदर बहुत अधिक ज्ञान है. जब हम आपकी उम्र में थे, अभी हमारे बच्चे भी मेरे 30 साल है उस उम्र के हो गए हैं, तो जो उनकी उम्र में वो सब जानते हैं, हम नहीं जानते थे. लेकिन शायद हम थोड़ा जानते थे, लेकिन बहुत चीजों के बारे में जानते थे. So develop yourself for awareness which is all round. Youth of today is very tech savvy. Aspirations बहुत अधिक हैं, बहुत अधिक हैं. सभी हिमालय की चोटी पे जाना चाहते हैं. और बहुत अच्छी बात है कि जब जैसे आप सभी लोग हैं जिनसे मैं आज बात कर रहा हूं, जैसे ब्रिगेडियर विजय ने मुझे बताया, जो आप लोग इस सब्सक्राइब करते हो, यहाँ पर देखते हो, आप लोगों का चरित्र जो है वो उच्च दर्जे का है. The strength of character is high, and the sensibilities of middle class are emulation worthy, very emulation worthy. So therefore, these sensibilities are great. These are the strong points, but I'll draw attention to what I see the negativities. Please overcome them if you want, progression in life, if you want to get through any competitions. This is what people are watching you for. If you are over competitive and you are individualistic, you are gone. That's a weakness I observe in most cadets and men that I train. Even after selection from SSB, the kinks remain. एक किसी के पैर पे पैर रख के आगे जाने का जो जज्बा है वो एक वीकनेस है. फिजिकल कैपेसिटीज आजकल हमारे बच्चों में बहुत कम है. ब्रिगेडियर विजय ने मुझे एक मैसेज भेजा था कुछ दिन पहले अपने पिताजी के बारे में कि वो किस तरह से उन्होंने अपना स्कूलिंग और जिस तरह से जम्मू में रह करके उन्होंने अपने जीवन को किस तरह से आगे बढ़ाया. आपको हम ये बता रहे हैं दैट हम 6 किलोमीटर रोज पानी लेने की एक मटकी लेने के लिए जाना भी 2 किलोमीटर पहाड़ी के नीचे रह के जाना पड़ता था. आप जीवन इस तरह का था कि आपकी फिजिकल कैपेसिटीज को बढ़ना ही पड़ता था. लेकिन टुडे बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ लाइफ दैट यू लीड, चाहे आप गांव में हो, चाहे आप गरीब हो, बड़े हो, फिजिकल कैपेसिटीज आर नॉट बीइंग पेड अटेंशन. हम सब यूथ को मैं देखता हूं मटेरियलिज्म, प्रोन टू फ्लैश, सब कुछ जो एक चमक चौंध दिखती है उसके तरफ जो है बहुत खिंचाव है. आपको अगर बोला जाए कि ये नियम है, ये कानून है, ये जीवन है, ये रिलीजन है, तो उसके लिए एक रिबेल की फीलिंग, ये नहीं है, ये सही नहीं है, जो हम समझते हैं वो सही है, ऐसा क्यों हो, हमारे माता पिता ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हैं, हमारे जो है हमारे को ये क्यों सिखाया जा रहा है, एकेडमी के अंदर हमारे ऊपर ये क्यों रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगती है, एसएसबी के अंदर जो है इस चीज के अंदर हम क्यों टॉलरेट नहीं करें, ऐसा क्यों करें. ये एक जो है इनको मैं वीकनेसेस नहीं मानूंगा लेकिन एक कमियां जरूर बोलूंगा. ह्यूमन बीइंग की कमियां ये जरूर हैं. और यहाँ पर मैं हमेशा जीवन में कोट करता हूँ, वृक्ष में जब फल लगते हैं तो वृक्ष झुकता है, अपने आप को वो अपनी टहनियों को ऊपर करके ऊपर आसमान की तरफ नहीं जाता. तो नमन्ति फलना वृक्षा नमन्ति सुगना जना, शुष्क वृक्षाश्च मूर्खाश्च ना नमन्ति कदाचना. तो बच्चों, इफ यू हैव कैपेबिलिटीज, बी हम्बल. Humility is lacking in the modern world. And communication skills, the social media has killed them. I'm sure Brigadier Vijay tells me that he takes sessions with you. These were the poorest observation among rank and file that I saw in command on life. The communication skills, leaders of military have to have communication skills which are the highest order. You get 20 seconds to pass an instruction to die, that we will do this mission in this is the peril, this is how it will happen, and इसके लिए 20 सेकंड के अंदर उसके बाद आपको अमल करना है. वो 20 सेकंड में अगर आपने सही नहीं बताया है तो आपका मिशन अधूरा है. इसलिए बच्चों, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को अपने को डेवलप करना है, बहुत बड़ी कमी. लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है, बच्चे आइडियलिस्टिक हैं, टेक्निकल थ्रेशोल्ड हाई है और वो सीखना चाहते हैं. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई फाउंड. जब मैं अपने सीनियर पोजीशंस आई डेल्ट विद द यंग पीपल ऑफ टुडे, दे वांट टू लर्न, दे आर विलिंग टू बी मोल्डेड. हम जब यंग थे तो हम भी सोचते थे, वी वर आल्सो विलिंग टू बी मोल्डेड, एंड दैट अप्लाइज इवन टुडे. That while there may be strengths and weaknesses, but willingness to mold, learn and excel remains. And threats क्या है बच्चों? Increasing intolerance. Only I am right. This will kill you in career. चाहे आप सिलेक्शन में जाएं, चाहे आप कहीं भी जाएं, somebody is trying to tolerate, study in you. How much of tolerance? Tolerance for others' viewpoints, tolerance for others' perspectives in life. And media का negative influence and reduced sensitivity to humanity. Reduced sensitivity to humanity, which is a nutshell of what I explained in last few slides. Why did I make this slide to share with you? I say this to young children in colleges and schools when I speak to them, because many of you will say, sir, ये आप क्या बोल रहे हो, ये तो सही नहीं. लेकिन इसलिए मैंने लिखा है the youth as I see. Now, I see in the perspective of what actually is required for selection to places, and if you are selected, for progression to places, progression for appointments. So rest what you want to make out of this, I leave it to you. In any case, let me tell you this this presentation, whatever I am going to give you, I'll request that Mr. Brigadier Vijay can keep it with his organization. You can share it in the world wherever you want, or keep it with yourself and reflect on this. It will contain my numbers also later. You can always get back to me on if you differ. More you differ, happier I will be. Then we can have a constructive dialogue.
Yes, sir. We will preserve it, sir. We will preserve it.
Yes, yes. Now, you all study in schools and colleges. What are these schools and colleges का mandate क्या है? Schools and colleges का mandate है सबसे पहले आपके अंदर वो 5 लाइफ स्किल्स जो मैंने आपको कहा उनको डेवलप करना. चरित्र, आपके माता पिता ने जैसे कहा है कि हेल्थ इज गॉन, वेल्थ इज गॉन, कैरेक्टर इज गॉन, और अगर चरित्र गया तो जीवन लॉस्ट. Comradeship, I told you, I am because we are. Discipline is, it separates, only discipline separates human beings from animals, and discipline is not when you are told to do what you are told to do, you abide by it. When you are not under observation, what you do is what matters. And selfless service, I explained to you. If you let go of what you need for yourself, that is sacrifice. Okay? And spirit of adventure is essential in a boy or a girl. All life, your body will tell you don't, but your mind will tell you you will. All right? Karna hai.
Sir, sir, sorry to interrupt you. We have 2 minutes left. Should we take a break, sir? And re-log in?
After this view file, we'll take a break. The resource, they train you for leadership and generate career options for you. This is not my focal area. Boys and girls, I carry on with what I was telling. Let me reiterate once again, because Vijay had defined to me what kind of clientele is there. So I made this slide for this purpose. Let me repeat once again what I said in the introduction. You have no control over the circumstances of your birth. You have no control whether you are born in a slum or city or Delhi or in Bhopal or in Durg, Hoshangabad, Anini, Ibithu, Badmer, or wherever, in the remotest part of the country, or you are born to Ambani, or you are born to a fruit seller, or whichever way. You have no control over it, boys and girls. Should that deter you? No. Then what is it? One thing that will put you in equal pedestal in life, and that is education. I always say education is a liberating force, equalizing force, and a democratizing force. Liberating force, equalizing force, and democratizing force. मिले तो अंधकार से ज्ञान की ओर, रोशनी की ओर, जन्म की असमानताओं से परे, और एक सभ्य समाज का निर्माण. All these, I means, the thinkers, they dedicated to education. अंधकार से ज्ञान, जन्म की असमानता से पार, और एक सभ्य और सशक्त समाज का निर्माण जिसमें सबके समाज के अधिकार जो हैं वो समान हो. Why am I telling you this? Wherever you are born, whatever you do, if you take your education is not पढ़ाई लिखाई alone. पढ़ाई लिखाई, teachings, guru, parents, society, life, whatever teaches you, if you imbibe it, then you will be on an equal pedestal with the highest that you think of. All right. To reach there, if you have educated and imbibed yourself well, there are 7 things which are essential fundamentals for the prime thing I want to talk to you about. Professional knowledge, integrity, tenacity. Tenacity is the central theme of what I am going to speak. Comradeship, in small brief I have spoken to you. Time management, fitness, and some essential traits. Knowledge, integrity, tenacity, comradeship, time, fitness, essential traits. लीडरशिप की बहुत परिभाषाएं हैं, बहुत रिसर्च सब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन 17 से 24 साल के अंदर की उम्र में इफ यू आर पेड अटेंशन टू दीज 7 facets, you are you are you are there, and you are there ready to take off to the higher special also. Therefore, each one of them in some detail. सबसे पहले प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज. Boys and girls, read, 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 read. Reading is a public duty. In military officers, we always say those who are in public service, it is their public duty. But those who are not in military service, also it is a public duty. The knowledge that you gain, you convert that to wisdom. Knowledge to wisdom is the key. And here, let me tell you a story. Keep this knowledge always enhanced to remain relevant, to remain contemporary, to remain irreplaceable. Enhance this knowledge. Let me tell you a story of a woodcutter. लकड़हारा की कहानी. एक लकड़हारा था जिसको किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने, जो ठेके पे काम कराते थे, उन्होंने एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया कि ये लीजिए आप आरी, और जितने पेड़ काटेंगे उतने पैसे आपको मिलेंगे. तो लकड़हारा जो था, he was a young boy, very macho, very strong. उन्होंने पूरा जोर लगाया, पेड़ काटे, उन्हें पैसे मिले. उन्होंने कहा बहुत अच्छा है ये, I made good money. अगले दिन उन्होंने और हिम्मत के साथ फिर पेड़ काटे. He made more money. Then he said, ये तो this is a good profession. लेकिन 3 या 4 दिन के बाद उन्होंने और भी जोश से पेड़ काटे, लेकिन जो पेड़ कटे वो कम थे. जो पेड़ कटे उतने जोश के साथ वो कम थे. क्या कारण था? कि जोश में काटे हुए पेड़ उस आरी को ब्लंट कर गए. वो आरी जो थी वो तेज धार उसकी निकल गई, खुन्नी पड़ गई, जैसे हमारे हिमाचल में कहते हैं. So boys, what is it that he did not do? He did not sharpen his saw. He did not sharpen his saw. Therefore, gain knowledge, apply it with all josh, but what is more important is sharpen the saw. Remember the story of woodcutter. और जैसे आपका ज्ञान बढ़ता है, उसका एक पहचान है कि आपको लगता है मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. अगर वो फीलिंग आपके मन में है तो आप ज्ञानी हैं. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. थोड़ा ज्ञान लेके ये बोलना कि मुझे बहुत आता है, थोड़ा दोबारा सोचिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज इंटीग्रिटी एंड मॉरल करेज. ये जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था, एक बार थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा जो मैं आपको 6-7 चीजें बता रहा हूं. आज आप कॉलेज की इंटरव्यू में जाते हो, चाहे आप आर्मी में जाओ चाहे सिविल में जाओ, जो मर्जी सीवी में लिख दो. उसके बाद जो जज करते हैं आपको, वो इन्हीं चीजों पे जज करते हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. कितना आता है, कितना आपने उसको अपग्रेड किया है, कितने आप रेलेवेंट हो, और आपकी स्पिरिट क्या है. अगर दूसरा चीज मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, इंटीग्रिटी और मॉरल करेज, तो इसको वो किस तरह से गेज करते हैं वो हम छोड़ देते हैं. लेकिन दिस इज द हाईएस्ट, जो जिसको कि दूरबीन से, जिसको माइक्रोस्कोप लगा के वो आपके अंदर चेक करते हैं कि आपके मॉरल्स और इंटीग्रिटी क्या है. नाउ इसमें मैं ज्यादा व्याख्यान नहीं करूंगा, 1-2 चीजें बताऊंगा कि जो इंटीग्रिटी और कैरेक्टर है वो उसके 3 पहलू हैं. एक आपका वैल्यू सिस्टम क्या है जिसके लिए मैंने आपको बेस्ट विशेस दी, एक आपके अंदर स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है कि आप उस वैल्यू सिस्टम को अपहोल्ड करें, और तीसरा आप कितना सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं. दीज थ्री थिंग्स मेक यू ब्रेव एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. वैल्यू सिस्टम, अंदर की महिमा, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ और सेक्रीफाइस की स्पिरिट मेक्स यू ब्रेव एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. ब्रेव एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर ब्रेव एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो आप सही और गलत का पहचान और आप सही रास्ता चाहे वो कठिन हो वो चूज करेंगे. एंड हियर लेट मी टेल यू अनदर फैसेट ऑफ इट कि चरित्र आदमी का कब जज होता है, जब एडवर्सिटी होती है या पावर आती है. जो एडवर्सिटी होती है या पावर होती है, जब आपको जीवन में वाट लगी हो तो आपको चरित्र सही करना ही पड़ता है, बिकॉज यू आर एट द रिसीविंग एंड. लेकिन जब आपके पास पावर आती है तो आप क्या हैं, चरित्र वहां पर दर्शाता है. मान लीजिए आप सर्विस सिलेक्शन बोर्ड में एक किसी ग्रुप टास्क के अंदर लीडर बन गए, तो आपके सारे गुण जो है वो निखर के बाहर आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, टीम स्पिरिट भी और आपकी अंदर की बनावट भी. और जब आप टीम लीड करते हैं, आर्मी में जाएं, ऑफिसर बने, प्लाटून कमांडर बनेंगे, 36 लोग आपके साथ होंगे, आपका क्या चरित्र है, ईच मैन विल नो यू. और वो इतना आपको जानेंगे जितना आप अपने बारे में नहीं जानते. ऑलराइट, सो व्हेन पावर यू हैव, character reflects. Character reflects. And here tell me another story. The story of eating sugar. The story of eating sugar. एक बच्चा था जिसको शायद मधुमेह की बीमारी थी. उसकी माँ बड़ी परेशान थी कि बच्चा जो है वो शुगर खाने से नहीं रुकता और ये उसके लिए हार्मफुल है. तो किसी ने उन्हें कहा कि आप महात्मा के पास जाएं और अगर महात्मा इस बच्चे को कहेंगे कि आप ये नहीं करें तो वो नहीं करेंगे. तो जो माँ थी वो बेटे को महात्मा के पास ले गई. महात्मा ने बोला, बच्चे से प्यार किया, पुचकार किया और कहा कि आप 3 सप्ताह बाद आइए. 3 सप्ताह बाद फिर जो है वो माता बच्चे उनके पास गई. महात्मा ने बच्चे को प्यार दुलार से अपने पास बिठाया और उस प्यार दुलार के बाद कहा कि ये सही नहीं है जो आप करते हो, इत्यादि इत्यादि इत्यादि, आप मत करें. बच्चे ने प्रण लिया कि मैं इसके बाद ये चीज नहीं करूंगा. अब जो माँ थी वो परेशान हुई. परेशान नहीं हुई, जिज्ञासु हुई कि अगर आपने बच्चे को यही बताना था तो आप जो है 3 सप्ताह के बाद क्यों बुलाया. तो 3 सप्ताह के बाद आप समझ गए होंगे मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ. महात्मा ने कहा, मैं उसे वो करने के लिए कैसे कह सकता हूँ जो मैं स्वयं नहीं करता हूँ. इसलिए बच्चों, यू विल हैव नो डिस्टॉर्शन बिटवीन कथनी एंड करनी. जो कहते हो वो करो, जो सोचते हो वो कहो. क्रेडिबिलिटी इज एसेंशियल. इंटेग्रिटी का टेस्ट इज credibility. And here I may repeat again, अगर आप मैसेंजर का विश्वास नहीं करते हो तो मैसेज का विश्वास कैसे करोगे. If you don't believe the messenger, you will never believe the message. So remember this कथनी और करनी की theory. All right, and this Mahatma Gandhi story and that integrity and character are tested when you are in position of power more than others. All right. एक बड़ी अच्छी पोएम है. मैं थोड़ा समय का लिहाज करते हुए ये ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगा, लेकिन इसके लास्ट कुछ वर्ड्स मैं एनसीसी कैडेट्स को एक खास तौर पे बताता था और ऑफिसर्स को भी बोलता हूँ, यंग ऑफिसर्स को. ठीक है. And let me read this second stanza for you. You may fool as you move in the years and acquire more stars, stripes and brass. You may fool all as you move in the years and acquire more stars, stripes and brass. but your final regard will be headaches and tears if you have cheated the man in the glass. यानी जीवन में कुछ पाने के लिए अगर आपने कुछ भी किया है और वो आपको एक्सेप्टेबल रहा है तो दिल में कहीं दर्द रहेगी. अगर आप अपने आप को चेहरे में शीशे में नहीं देख सकते हो, you have not been a man of high integrity. Every day, boys and girls, when you shave and get dressed ready and you beautify yourself, ask yourself a question. Do you like the person you see in the mirror? Important. Okay. Tenacity, which is the central theme. Generally, जब मैं gatherings में बात करता हूँ तो प्रश्न उत्तर उसमें इसमें बात करता हूँ. What do you understand from this? But today, to save time, I'll summarize it for you. Tenacity means दृढ़ निश्चय और संकल्प. दृढ़ निश्चय और संकल्प. और थोड़ा सा इसको एम्फेसिस से बोले तो नेवर 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 गिविंग. I'll say again, never 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 गिविंग. 4 बार नेवर बोलते हैं. किसने बोला ये? विंस्टन चर्चिल को एक बार वो एक बहुत बड़े स्कूल में पढ़े यूके में, ग्रेट ब्रिटेन में. वो उस स्कूल में पढ़े, हैरो स्कूल बोलते हैं उसको, सबसे दुनिया का अमीर स्कूल या अमीर स्कूलों में से एक. वहां पर उनको एल्यूमिनाई ने बुलाया तो उन्होंने उनको कहा कि आप इन्हें कोई शिक्षा दीजिए. तो उन्होंने बोला वेल थैंक यू ये वो, और उन्होंने बोला ओनली वन थिंग ही सेड, नेवर 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 गिव इट. दिस इज द ओनली एडवाइस ही गेव टू द school. Now let me illustrate few things about this. Who is this man? This is Winston Churchill. Where did he say this? In Harrow School in October 1941. What was happening in October 41? Why I have written this date? October 41 में German forces Britain के दरवाजे पर थी. Paris was about to burn. Europe was on a retreat, and in 1945, you know what happened. So when he was on a back foot, he was sure, and he said this to the children, that never, 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 never give it. And from this story, I have taken out 3-4 more stories to drive home this point. This story you all know, King Bruce and the Spider. Between Scotland and Britain, there used to be wars, and King Bruce was the Scottish king. And Bruce actually is not his actual name. Bruce का मतलब होता है एक thick दाढ़ी, beard. That is why he was called Bruce. So then he got defeated, and he ran to the hills, and on the hill he sat in a cave, and till he saw that spider. ये स्टोरी आपने सबने 6ठी 7वीं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ी होगी. तो स्पाइडर जो है वो कॉबवेब में टॉप पे जा रहा था, तो एक बार गिरा, 6 बार गिरा और 7वीं बार चढ़ गया. और जिसने उस मकड़ी के जाले से एक लेसन सीख के कि I will not give in. If the spider can reach top in 7th attempt, so can I. So he went back, consolidated his forces, and resumed, and he won. It ended between truce between Scotland and Britain, and the marriage between the two princesses. And rest is history. And this happened in 1307, right? About 700 years ago. All right. As if this is not enough, then take the example of Abraham Lincoln, actually my hero. 1831 to 1864 he lived. लेकिन 1860 तक 32 साल वो कभी इलेक्शन ही नहीं जीते. He had nervous breakdown. He could never He was elected only for House of Representatives. He never made it to the Senate. And then he became the president. The best president America has had. Why best? What did he do? He did three things for America. First, he consolidated the states' economic reforms that America is today. And what is most important is he put an end to the slavery, the black slaves, and the typical theory. And in so doing, he knew that there will be threat to his life. The feudals will not like it. And boys and girls, you know that he was assassinated in 1864. In Abraham Lincoln, I see the highest tenets of integrity, knowing very well that he'll pay a price with his life, and tenacity. Never, 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 never give it. दृढ़ निश्चय, दृढ़ संकल्प. आप कितने भी बड़े लोगों की कहानियां पूछ लीजिए, all are filled with failures and ups and downs. Today I may talk anything, there will be 100 failures in my life. Everybody has a failure, so don't give up. All right. Next, who is this Arunima Sinha? National volleyball player, 2011. She was thrown out of the train, and people even said that she didn't have a ticket. The TC came and she jumped out of the train. How ridiculous! She was a national volleyball player, and then she had leg amputated and she had a pelvic injury. 21 days in the hospital, she took a vow that she will go to Mount Everest. And boys and girls, she became the first woman amputee to reach top of Mount Everest. And thereafter, she has climbed all other highest peaks in all 7 continents of the world. So the moral is never, 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 never give in. दृढ़ निश्चय, दृढ़ संकल्प. इसको छोड़ो. Now you see this cricket, आप सब शौकीन होते हैं. Who is this man? Marwan Atapattu. When did he debut? 1990. What was the score of first innings? 0-0. Then he was dropped. 17 months he played first class cricket again. Brilliant. Second chance was given to him after 17 months. What was the score? 0-0. First inning 0, second inning 0. And then he was told that he doesn't have the temperament for international cricket. Again he played brilliant first class cricket. And then he was called again. Then you know that he made 16 hundreds and 6 200s, and he was also captain of the Sri Lankan team, if I'm not wrong, 2002 or 3. Now, boys and girls, the moral is it took him 6 years to run from one end from the wicket to other end of the wicket to score the first run. So, what is the message? Never, 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 never give it. And now I show you these two pics. Everybody knows who is this chap. Name I have not written. That is Amitabh Bachchan. You all know. You also know that you are rejected on many things, etc. to begin with. But उनकी स्टोरी हम सब जानते हैं. बट जो लेफ्ट में हैं उन आप नहीं जानते हैं. मैरिल स्ट्रीप बहुत कम लोग जानते होंगे. हमारे समय की वो एक्ट्रेस हैं. ये हॉलीवुड में एक्ट्रेस एक्टिंग के लिए गई तो उनको बोला महोदया ना आपका चेहरा ठीक ना आपका एक्यूमेंट ठीक, आप रहने दीजिए. लेकिन in the history of Hollywood, Meryl Streep has the record of highest nominations in Oscars. Highest, 21 of them, and winning 13 Oscars. Next to it is Katharine Hepburn, 14, 7 पीछे. Okay. So Meryl Streep, 22 nominations, 4 Oscars, and next was Katharine Hepburn, 13 nominations and 1 or 2 wins. So this is the lady who was told that चले जाइए रहने दीजिए. So boys and girls, दृढ़ निश्चय, दृढ़ संकल्प. दृढ़ निश्चय, दृढ़ संकल्प. At least I always openly say this is the central theme of what I wish to say, and I have followed it. In National Defense Academy, I fractured my arm. I fractured my arm and it was in 2 pieces. Okay, it was a compound fracture. And it was very difficult. I was 9 months in a plaster. But I said, all the tests of climbing ropes and this and that, I will do in excellent standard. So tenacity. इसके बाद में हमारे को अपने आप स्वामी विवेकानंद देखिए, चाहे आप बंदा बहादुर देखें, चाहे शिवाजी देखिए, चाहे कोई भी देखें, एनफ एग्जाम्पल्स. जो ना कहते हैं उनको नहीं सुनना आपने. जो ना कहते हैं उनको नहीं सुनना. ओके, आई वुड हैव टोल्ड यू अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ डड्डू कहानी, but 10 minutes are left, so I will leave here. Next thing is comradeship. याद रखिए, I am because we are. मैंने Ubuntu word use किया था. Ubuntu is a Zulu tribe language word, tribe language, and it tells you solidarity, integration, and dignity. I am because we are. Remember this. आपकी टीम में हर तरह के लोग होंगे, उनको आपने इकट्ठा करना है, इंटीग्रेट करना है, और उनके थ्रू जो है आपने उनको टीम बनानी है. ये पिक्चर जो आप सामने देख रहे हैं, अगर आप बंदर, पेंगुइन और एलिफेंट और फिश, इनके साथ एक ही मापदंड लगाएंगे कि आपको ये पेड़ पे चढ़िए, तो जिंदगी भर कभी टीम नहीं बनेगी. तो सबको इकट्ठा करिए. आपकी टीम इज ऑलवेज डाई इज कास्ट इन लाइफ. इसको आप इकट्ठा करें. आई एम बिकॉज वी आर. टाइम मैनेजमेंट, ये मैं ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा. एक बुक है कॉल्ड ईट दैट फ्रॉग. सुनते ही उल्टी आती है, लड्डू खाना है. इट्स ए वेरी नाइस बुक. व्हाट इट मीन्स इज, याद रखिए कि 24 घंटे मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी के पास भी इतने हैं, ट्रंप के पास भी उतने हैं, ओबामा के पास भी उतने ही थे, और बड़े से बड़े लोगों के पास भी दिन में 24 घंटे ही होते हैं. लेकिन समय निकालना है हर चीज के लिए. और जब भी जीवन में परेशानी आए तो डिफिकल्ट काम पहले करें. ईट दैट फ्रॉग. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस टर्म, सो दैट यू रिमेंबर इट. ओके. फिटनेस. दिस पिक्चर इज काफी. एक साइड पिक्चर है जो मैं किसी रेजिमेंट का कर्नल कमांडेंट था, क्वार्टर गार्ड. देखिए,
your sharing is not being done, sir. Slide share नहीं किया. Slide share नहीं हो रहा सर. Slide share I think is आप थोड़ा उसको प्रेस कर दीजिए. Slide share प्रेस.
Okay. Since when?
Sir, almost 20 minutes, sir. I thought maybe that you don't have a slide, but now I realize the slide is there with you.
I have 20 minutes more.
No, sir, we just got 4 minutes left. Unless you allow us to do one more session.
No, will that disturb you?
Not at all, sir, not at all.
Okay, then we'll do one more. Then I'll go easy.
Right, sir, right.
Yes. Are there enough children? 30, 40 are there?
Yes, sir, 45, sir.
45, that's beautiful. Then we'll do another one.
Yes, sir.
No, when did we lose slide share?
Sir, in fact, second session, we didn't see slides at all. From Abraham Lincoln onwards, sir.
Bloody hell, yeah. Then let me in those 3-4 minutes.
Yes, sir.
View those slides once again.
Yes, yes, sir. Abraham Lincoln onwards. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can see.
Perfect.
Did you see these?
Yes, sir.
Did you see these? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's okay now, sir.
No. पहले ये देखा
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah, it's visible, sir.
पहले repeat them.
आप इसको रन डाउन कर लीजिए सर. 3 minutes, so 20 seconds.
बेटा बच्चों लोग, अगर आपने ये स्लाइड्स नहीं देखी हैं तो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट के लिए आई विल क्विकली रन थ्रू वंस अगेन. सुन आपने लिया है. 7 factors to my mind are most important for selection wherever you go. People what they are looking for you, and as you grow and select it, and then for growth in life. These are knowledge, integrity, tenacity, comradeship, time management, fitness, and essential traits. Tenacity out of these is the central theme, which where I was right now. At actually, most focus I laid was on this aspect. So I'll flash those slides once again. Professional knowledge. I told you the story of woodcutter, Lakadhara ki kahani. Keep sharpening your saw. Keep sharpening your saw. Remain relevant. Remain knowledgeable, relevant. Convert that knowledge to wisdom. Okay. And then I said something important which you must remember. जब आपको ये एहसास होना शुरू हो जाए कि मुझे नहीं आता है, that means you are gaining knowledge. Okay. More you know, more your ignorance unfolds. Integrity. I made this statement to you. Integrity का अर्थ है value system for yourself. Be strong enough to uphold the value system and spirit of sacrifice. What does it do for you? It makes you broad and brave and strong. All right. So if it is brave and strong, when do you see this? You see this in adversity and power. जब जीवन की वाट लगी है, तो आपको करना ही पड़ता है, निर्वाह करना ही होता है. लेकिन when you are in your job, if you become, that is where I gave example that in your SSB you are a group leader for an obstacle task. तो बच्चों, everything will get appear. It will just you will show off what you are made of in those half an hour that you hold power. चाहे वो एक discussion हो, चाहे वो team ho, and when I was a senior commander, say I was a lieutenant general, so I would be watching somebody, how is my subordinate or my colleague behaving when he has a particular power and how does he use it. Remember this. And here I gave you example of कथनी और करती के distortion को eliminate करें, eliminate नहीं तो minimize करें. Thought, बोलो वो जो सोचते हो, करो वो जो कहते हो. Distortion between Kathni and Karni must be removed. Vijay, tell me when to stop, so then we'll start again.
Yes, another 30 seconds.
Okay. All right. Here I told you, this is the poem I read to you. I'll read once again. You may fool all that you move on years and acquire more stars, stripes, and brass, but your final regard in this will be heartaches and tears if you have cheated the man in the glass. So when I've used a statement, every morning when you get up to get ready to work or wherever you go, ask yourself a question. Are you happy to see the person you're seeing in the glass? All right, boys and girls, I read out these 4 lines from this poem, and I said a message that, whenever you get ready each morning, just ask yourself, do you like the person you see in the mirror? It will reflect on the character that you have, okay? And here I generally used to always say this, honesty and truthfulness are never out of fashion. They never go out of fashion. Remember this. People in the selection boards are looking for these virtues, honesty and truthfulness. And remember this. All right, then I gave example of tenacity, and whatever I said a lot of things about it. So I spoke of never, 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 never give in. Then I spoke of this speech by Churchill in Harrow School, October 1941. 2 pictures of Churchill. He was also a cavalry officer, tank man. And he was also a statesman. Not that I like him hell of a lot. He was not good to Indians. But to context, he was very good. Never, 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 never give in. October 1941, when they were on the verge of defeat. And then in 45 what was the end result. And then I gave example of Bruce in the spider, that how a cobweb climbing spider taught him, and Scotland won over Britain at that time, and that rest is history. 1307, 700 years ago. And then I gave example of Abraham Lincoln. For more than 30 years he never made it to the Senate, and then he became the president and paid a price with his life. He did 3 things for America: consolidation of states, economic reforms, and end of slavery, and paid the price with his life. Even if you see the movie on Lincoln, he says this: it's my duty to end slavery, and he knew that he'll pay a price with this. So what a reflection on character and tenacity of this man. 30 years, uh, never made it to Senate. Okay, but never give in. And then I gave example of Arunima Sinha, you know, first woman amputee to go to mountain top, Mount Everest top, all highest continents, mountains in each continent. Never give in. Then I gave example of this cricketer that took him 6 years to run from one end of the wicket to another in international cricket. And then he captained the Sri Lankan team. We had 1600s and 200s. 2002 he became captain. Very famous example of tenacity. And then I gave these examples of Meryl Streep and Amitabh Bachchan. You know, the highest nominations of Oscars for somebody who was rejected from Hollywood. Ki aap chhod ke jaiye. Now, this I personally subscribe to, and then I gave an example to you that I fractured my hand but did second class rope. Someday Brigadier Vijay will tell you what it means. 9 months I was in plaster, lost a term on medical grounds. But it was an impossible task for me to do some higher test in a rope climbing in the academy. But then, and in life, if you are a lamppost reader, you know, like Brigadier Vijay gave the example, you know, tenacity is what carries you through. This is a single virtue all of you need to imbibe in you. Single virtue. Drid Nischay, Drid Sankalp. And then I gave these examples which you couldn't see. Banda Bahadur, born in Rajouri, picked up in Nasik, came and fought the Mughals in Britain. Look at this man. Look at Shivaji on the left. Look at Swami Vivekananda in two attires, of a saint and in a western attire. Boys and girls, many of you may not know, he had 9 years to do what he did as a saint. 9 years. He died at the age of 39 or maybe 34, at that young. And he was not too well, but the choppiest of sea in Kanyakumari, where Vivekananda Rock Memorial is, he used to swim from shore to the Vivekananda Rock at that time himself, despite all that he was. The choppiest sea in India is in Cape Comorin. And then Lakshmi Bai. So enough examples to tell you what we need to imbibe in life. And then I told you, now that I have time, don't listen to naysayers. Here, let me tell you a Chinese fable. Fable, what is a fable? It's a story with a lesson. क्या कहानी है? कहानी ये है that एक बार एक डड्डुओं में मुकाबला हो रहा था. It's a story, it's a fiction story. बीच में एक अरीना था और अरीने के बीच में एक पोल था. तो कहानी ये थी कि कौन डड्डू जो है वो जंप मार के पोल के टॉप पे जाएगा. आप सब जानते हैं कि ये चीज इम्पॉसिबल होती है कि डड्डू पे जंप मार के पोल के टॉप पे कैसे जाएंगे. और आसपास बहुत देखने वाले तमाशबीन थे. मुकाबला हुआ तो 3-4 डड्डू एक एक करके सब हताश होके आते रहे और अंत में एक डड्डू जो है, मेंढक, डड्डू बोले तो मेंढक, तो वो ऊपर चढ़ के he reached the pole top. You know what was this frog? This frog was deaf. The deaf frog story. He could not hear people pulling him down. रहने दो, नहीं होगा, jump नहीं कर सकते, छोड़ दो. So don't listen to naysayers in life कि तुमसे नहीं होगा. No. दृढ़ निश्चय, दृढ़ संकल्प. Do you know in NASA what is placed on a placard, on a rock? It is written there that a bee doesn't have the aerodynamic shape to fly. अगर आप बी को देखें तो उसकी शेप ऐसी नहीं है कि वो उड़ सके, लेकिन वो उड़ती है, हम सब जानते हैं. So the next sentence written there is, but the bee doesn't know it. It flies. So therefore, boys and girls, never give it. And then I gave example of comradeship. And then I showed you this story. कि आपके पास एक टीम होगी, उसमें बड़े तेज माइंड के होंगे, कुछ तेज होंगे, कुछ कमजोर होंगे, लेकिन ये बड़ा अच्छा एक मुझे अच्छी डिपिक्शन लगती है कि आप भांति भांति लोगों को अगर एक ही मापदंड से टेस्ट करोगे तो वो टीम कभी बनेगी नहीं. What you see here is somebody is telling all these elephant and this, that, your test is go climb the tree. So that means if you judge the fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. You kill the spirit of somebody. So let her excel in sea. Let the elephant excel in wealth and financial. It is, health, wealth that he has in the jungles, in wherever. Let everybody do his job. All that you need to do is different capabilities, make them a team, and remember that I am because we are. Nobody is better than the other. All right. And then I told you that in the army we always say a good officer knows his men more than mothers do. Remember this. A good officer knows men, the men he commands, more than their mothers do. तो कल को आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर भी बने तो टीम में जिसमें काम करेंगे, you should know your team as much their mother knows. Remember this. And in time management, I told you two things. One, that even the presidents and prime ministers have only 24 years in their life. Learn the art of beating the deadlines you have, and eat that frog. Eat that frog means more difficult the task, earlier you do it. All right. And fitness, I showed you two examples. That is where Brigadier Vijay told me the slides are not visible. What you see on left or what you see on right. This picture I clicked real when I was the senior colonel visiting a regiment, and I saw their history. And from their history book, I found this book, this picture, and I placed it here. You can choose which way you want to go. लेकिन physical fitness का उपयोग क्या है? Physical fitness makes your mind strong. It makes your mind active. And an active mind helps find solutions. So you can do solution finding in case you are physically fit. So although today, tomorrow you may go to a civil stream, but the physical fitness is not to be seen कि वो बड़ा exercise करता है, वो gym जाता है, ये है वो है. Physical fitness hones your mind. Mind hones your sharpened saw. Sharpened saw helps higher production. So this is the importance that I want to keep you in mind. Okay? And anyway, you do it for yourself. And lastly is, now the last virtue that I talk of is generally the essential traits. मैं फिर शायद समय से कम हो जाऊंगा. ये पिक्चर मैंने खींची थी जब मैं अपने ऑफिस में आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर्स में पोस्टेड था. तो एक दिन रेड लाइट पे वेट करके, आप सब जानते हैं 11 मूर्ति की पिक्चर है. ये एक स्कल्पचर नहीं है. दिस इज पोइट्री इन स्टोन. Poetry in stone. Let me briefly explain to you. Who is in front? A frugal man, but firm, walking with a stick, looking down and leading the way. Dandi March की picture है. Dandi March 1930. So, frugal, strong, sure man who is leading. He shows the way, he knows the way. He knows the way, he shows the way. If the leader is like this, where is he looking? He's looking down. He's reflecting. He's sure. He's firm. You couldn't be simpler than he is. पीछे कौन लोग हैं? 10 लोग पीछे हैं. कुछ लेडीज हैं, कुछ जेंट्स हैं. किसी ने धोती पहना है, किसी ने गुजराती ड्रेस पहना है, कोई पंजाबी है. साड़ियों के 2 पल्लू भी अलग अलग हैं. Means these are the women also from different parts of the country. So if a leader is like this, people from all caste, creed, everyone will follow you. And if the leader is firm and looking down, you see the rear picture in the sculpture, the people are, they're looking up. Everybody follows him. Those who are weak, they are being supported by relatively strong. When I was the Director General of the National Cadet Corps, the NCC cadets who would come, I would make sure that they maintain this monument for whatever time I was there. and see this Gyara Murti from the perspective I have just explained to you. It summarizes life. ये सिर्फ पत्थर की मूर्ति नहीं है. Okay? So this summarizes the essential traits. I will not see more. Okay? Physically straight, mentally awake and morally straight. Physically strong, mentally awake and morally straight was our NDA, National Defense Academy prayer. All right, summarizes the whole thing, what you need to do. Strong, mentally awake, morally straight. And thereafter it went to say, so that in our doing our duty to thee, we may keep the honor of services untarnished. All right? This is the first trait. Second is how you appear. Take this picture of, no, this is not coming somehow on this picture. That how you appear on this. No. Side mein carry nahi hua. You must appear out of the crowd. You get followed. Trustworthiness and go beyond the brief. I will explain to you. जो आपको बताया है चार्टर पे वो तो आप जानते ही हैं, लेकिन go beyond it. What does it mean? Beyond the brief. In brief, I will tell you firstly, what is the importance of सकारात्मक सोच in life, attitude. Hard work, knowledge बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन अगर A is 1, B is 2, D is 4, F is 6, hard work is 98, knowledge is 96, and सकारात्मक सोच, attitude is 100. So boys and girls, develop सकारात्मक सोच. You are tested for this all life. All life you will be tested for सकारात्मक सोच. And now what I tell you next will explain to you what I mean by an extra, going beyond the brief. इसको कहते हैं 212 डिग्री की लीडरशिप. ये उदाहरण मैं देता हूँ. एक पानी का आपने एक ग्लास में या किसी कंटेनर में पानी रखा रेफ्रिजरेटर में और वो फ्रीजर में डाला तो उसकी बर्फ बनती है. उसका उपयोग है, आप हम एक ड्रिंक बनाएं, आप रूह अफ़ज़ा बनाएं, ठंडा करें. आपको चोट लग गई है तो अपने आप चोट पे उसका उपयोग करें. दैट मीन्स आपका उपयोग है. आप फ्रोजन है लेकिन उपयोग है. वही पानी को आप नॉर्मल फ्रिज में रखते हैं तो बर्फ पिघल के पानी बन जाती है. उस पानी को आप पीते हो, आनंद लेते हो, फिर भी उपयोग है. वो पानी थोड़ा आप गर्म करें तो फिर गुनगुना हो जाता है. फिर आप अपना गार्गलिंग करते हो, गले को साफ करते हो, पीते हो. कई आदमी गुनगुना पानी ही पीते हैं, उपयोग है. और गर्म करें तो छोटे बच्चों की मिल्क बॉटल्स और ये सब आप सैनिटाइज करते हो, फिर भी उपयोग. उसको और गर्म करें तो फिर उससे आप चाय बनाते हो, फिर भी उपयोग. उसको और गर्म करें तो फिर वो उबलता है, फिर उसमें सब्जियां उबलती हैं, फिर उसमें पानी उबलता है, फिर उबला पानी साफ होता है, फिर भी उपयोग. हर स्टेज में पानी का उपयोग है. लेकिन उस पतीले के ऊपर का ढक्कन, उबलते पानी में आवाज आती है लेकिन गिरता नहीं है बाहर. अगर आप उसको और गर्म करते हो तो उसकी फिर भाप बनती है. जब वो भाप बनती है उससे फिर जो पावर बनती है, फिर पतीले का ढक्कन नीचे गिरता है. ये जो फिनोमेना है, जब उबलते हुए पानी में इतनी पावर आती है कि वो पतीले का ढक्कन नीचे आ जाए, ये 212 डिग्री पे होता है. 212 डिग्री या उससे ज्यादा. 211 डिग्री तक पानी उबलता है या उससे नीचे रहता है, उपयोग है, लेकिन पावर नहीं आती. पावर आती है उस एक्स्ट्रा डिग्री से. अगर वो शिप, जो हमारे शिप्स होते हैं जो स्टीम से चलते हैं, अगर वो पानी उबलता रहे तो शिप खड़ा रहे. लेकिन उसमें से अगर ये वाष्पीकरण होता है तो फिर जो है वो शिप चलते हैं. पुराने जमाने में स्टीम इंजन 212 डिग्री या ऊपर चलते थे. तो जीवन में बच्चों, ट्राई एंड गेट दिस एक्स्ट्रा डिग्री इन यू. कैसे आप करेंगे? ये आपस में आप स्टडी करिए, एक दूसरे से पूछिए, आगे जाएं. मैं ये कवर नहीं करूंगा, 2-4 मिनट में कैरियर बोलूंगा. ये आपको ब्रिगेडियर विजय काफी समझाते हैं, लेकिन ये मैं इमोशनल होके स्लाइड सब दिखाता हूँ कि आर्मी का प्रोफेशन, नथिंग लाइक इट, नोबलेस्ट ऑफ ऑल प्रोफेशन. इसको हम नोबल क्यों कहते हैं? डॉक्टर नोबल है, सर्जन नोबल है, साइंटिस्ट नोबल है, इंजीनियर्स नोबल है, कॉबलर नोबल है, फ्रूट सेलर नोबल है, किसी के बिना गुजारा नहीं है। लेकिन जिस दिन मुझे 3 दिसंबर 1971 की वॉर की बात जो है, मैं बच्चा था उस समय 14 साल का, तो जब हुसैनी वाला के ऊपर फिरोजपुर में स्काई जो था बिल्कुल एम्बर था फायर के साथ में, हम सब अपने गांव की तरफ, मैं हिमाचल का हूं तो उधर को भागा था। लेकिन उस रात को मेरा ये सौभाग्य था कि उस रात को फिर मैंने अपनी सेना को हुसैनी वाला बॉर्डर की तरफ, यानी जहां से दुनिया अपने सेफ्टी की तरफ भागती है वहां तक सेना गई। ओके, उस दिन मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मैं नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी ज्वाइन करूंगा। उस दिन जो देख करके जो सेना देखी हमने हुसैनी वाला बॉर्डर में, इसकी एक कहानी है, मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, समय बचाएंगे। लेकिन इट इज नॉट ए प्रोफेशन, इट इज द नोबलेस्ट प्रोफेशन। हु वॉक्स टू द डेंजर? ऑलराइट, टेररिस्ट अटैक होता है, द पीपल रन। आई कैन टेल यू स्टोरीज ऑफ रजौरी, आई कैन टेल यू हाउ वी रिकवर्ड ए मॉर्टर ड्यूरिंग ए लाइव अटैक, बहुत कहानियां हैं। लेकिन उस तरफ एक बढ़ना जहां एपी सेंटर ऑफ डेंजर हो, जो मिशन, कल को आप सॉफ्टवेयर बनाए, आपको सेशल में छुट्टी लाने भेज देते हैं, आपकी फैमिली को बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर टेकन एज ए ड्यूटी। ऑलराइट, लुक एट दीज मेन। टैंक, अगर टैंक एक बार चले हमारे स्ट्राइक को कि ऐसे लगता है जैसे भूकंप आता है। लुक एट दिस सरदार गुड खालसा बॉयज, टैंक के साथ में इन्फेंट्री, माय गॉड, दिल दहलाने वाले। लुक एट आवर शिप्स, all kinds, sailing ships, fire extinguishers, world tours. Look at our Surya Kiran team, acrobats. Look at this tank jumping in obstacles. मैंने खुद ऐसे एक टैंक चलाया हुआ है 81 सेंटीमीटर्स के ऊपर से। क्या फीलिंग होती है, कैसे वो आपको जो है मैचो लाइफ। ओके, बट इतना ही नहीं है वो, दिस इज थ्रिल, दिस इज रियल। ग्लेशियर के अंदर आप रहें तो इवन सैनिकों को बोला जाता है अगर सहन शक्ति नहीं है तो इधर नहीं आना। मैंने वहां पे 1.5 साल वहां नौकरी किया, तो जब बाहर -40 डिग्री टेम्परेचर होता है, जब एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं नया साल मुबारक। और मैं थोड़ा सा 15,000 फुट की बात कर रहा हूँ, अगर आप 20,000 फुट पे जाते हो थोड़े टाइम के लिए तो क्या होता है। नेवल कमांडोज, हम सब कहते हैं कि अगर हमारा देश सही है, हम सब सोते हैं बिकॉज ये फेंस पे ड्यूटी है, जो राइट बॉटम पे आप देख रहे हैं, इसको तोड़ने के लिए 2 या 3 मिनट का टाइम चाहिए। दैट मीन्स हर 2-3 मिनट में पूरे फेंस पे पेट्रोलिंग होता है, हर 2 या 3 मिनट का पॉइंट टच होना है। सोल्जर्स इनका सोते कहाँ हैं, जो आप पहाड़ में पीछे देख रहे हो वहां पर सोते हैं। ओके, जब बरसात लगती है तो ड्यूटी और सख्त होती है, आराम नहीं होता है। दिस इज द लाइफ यू विल लीड। एंड इसको समराइज करते हुए मैं बोलूंगा कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा, ये लड़कियां हैं जो ओटीए से पास आउट होती हैं, ये आप चाहे आपको लखपति बन जाओ चाहे करोड़पति बन जाओ, ये स्माइल नहीं मिल सकती। ये जो मुस्कुराहट है ये सिर्फ तभी आती है जब आपकी ट्रेनिंग खत्म होती है। और अगर आप जाएं तो नीचे जो आप फायरिंग के, हमारे एविएशन के ये देख रहे हैं, पता भी नहीं होता है किसी को कि हमको किसने मारा। एंड these are under my command. What you see on the left, these rockets, these huge 80-90 kilometers range rockets, and एकदम लगता है जैसे न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन हुआ। तो ये जीवन जो है, इट्स इफ यू हैव, गो फॉर इट, गो फॉर इट। एंड लेट मी समराइज, हमेशा सोचना कि दूसरे कुछ करेंगे उससे नहीं होता है। क्रिएट आइलैंड्स ऑफ एक्सीलेंस इन योर ओन स्फीयर, जो आप कर सकते हो वो करो। एक बड़ी अच्छी पोएम है, मैं चाहूंगा कि इसके थ्रू एक मैसेज दूं। एक पोएम है इफ, रडियार्ड किपलिंग की। आप सब उसको डाउनलोड करें और अपने कमरों में लगाएं, उसको फॉलो करें। इफ यू कैन मेक द अनफॉरगिविंग मिनट worth 60 seconds of distance run, then yours is the earth and all that is in it. And what is more, you will be a man, my son. This is the summary of that poem, Rudyard Kipling. Even is never kind. इसको उपयोग करें। And be the change you want to see, and may you bloom where planted. जहाँ पर लगा है वहीं पे आप खुशहाल रहो, सब कुछ रहो। तो आई थिंक एक छोटा सा 10 सेकेंड का वीडियो है, ये अगर चलता है तो आप देखिए, नहीं चलेगा तो बैड लक है।
ये चलेगा सर, चलेगा, चलेगा सर।
इसको देखिएगा जरा, 8 सेकेंड का वीडियो है ये।
यस सर।
This video is called 8 passes. इसमें बच्चे, what is the example? Why did I increase this example? Why did I include this example?
टीम
टीम है तो अपोजिट को पता ही नहीं है कि क्या हुआ. दूसरा, अगर इसके लास्ट में आगे जाके देखें तो पर्सन who is carrying the ball to the goal could have scored himself, but he doesn't. He passes it on to the next gentleman, not seeking glory, but team. I am because we are. And see this another one. If this works, this is character personified. Character personified. Just see the opposing teams. Sports don't only build character, they reveal it as well. So this is why I said this is for character. And third thing is tenacity. Drid Nishchay, Drid Sankalp. Boys and girls, have it in you. Try and remember the SWOT the way I see. I am because we are. And the spirit of Ubuntu. You will be through in the whatever selection boards you go for, or wherever you go in life, you will be great people. Army or Navy or Air Force or police, paramilitary forces, software companies, wherever you go in life. Remember these fundamentals. बाकी सब चीजें जीवन में आप सीख जाओगे. Vijay sir, I rest my case here, and thank you for your time, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. We'll open the thing to the house. Well, boys and girls, tell me who want to ask questions. We got about 8 minutes left. I give you 5 minutes out of this. Ask questions. Who's ready?
Sir, Jain sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Gaurav,
please.
go ahead.
Sir, apart from the motivation, I see life as a marathon in which we are running alone. So time and time there comes situation when we feel that now we can't run ahead, and the you can say the goal is far away from us. We can't achieve it. So how to overcome that kind of a situation?
First thing I must tell you that is why the central theme of what I told you was tenacity. Drid Nishchay, Drid Sankalp. Every life which is successful that appears to you today, what you said today, you're talking to a lieutenant general who a director general here, there, advisor in State Bank of India, and all the big things. But there was a time when on the second floor of Sudan Block in National Defense Academy, I said, when will I ever pass out from here? Will I ever pass out or no? Will I ever make it? Will I ever make it to the academy? Will I ever make it to whatever in life? So this is a usual struggle in everyone's life. So never to give up. This is why the central theme, again I am repeating, is you can do it. You can do it. And Drid Nishchay, Drid Sankalp. Chodna nahi beta. Life mein everybody is alone, but then there are people who will support you. Don't listen to those who want to pull you back, whether your parents or anyone. Drid Nishchay, Drid Sankalp. This is a story. This is the story of every successful person. What you are going through today.
Yeah, Anchal is an NCC cadet in Delhi. Right, sir. Anchal, go ahead. Anchal Kuleria. You're speaking to the Director General NCC.
Thank you, sir, for your due time. And as of now, I am analyzing your thoughts and process. As if I have any doubts, I'll get back to you.
Yes, smart
Anchal,
answer,
where are you
Anchal.
now? What are you doing? Anchal?
I am pursuing BCom degree from Delhi University. I'm in the final year, and I'm side by side. I'm pursuing C certificate through NCC, Delhi.
Okay. So there are some. Which RDC have you attended? Not yet.
No, sir, not yet.
So this year तो पता नहीं RDC होगा कि नहीं.
Yeah, sir, exactly. We are not sure about our camps as well for C certificate.
What is your college?
It's a Motilal Nehru College, Delhi University.
Is Virender is your commanding officer?
No, sir. Piyush Sharma, sir, is our commanding officer.
Okay. I'll share my number with all of you before I forget. If you want to get connected, I'll connect you to some successful NCC cadets of the past. And all those who are listening, if you want to be in touch with me, please note down my number. It is 8800 74 7539. Anchal, can you repeat, please?
Yes, sir. 8800747539.
Yeah, I love to connect with the
Okay,
young
others
people
who
and
haven't got it, ask me for the number. We'll call the General Saab again and you can take numbers from me. Now, any more question? One more question, please. Anybody?
Sir, how
Yeah,
to be
Vishwesh.
a leader who is how to be a leader who is leading from front as well as motivating his troops to strengthen them individually as well.
yeah, this is part of the job. This is precisely what you do when you get commissioned. You have to lead from the front by virtue of the academy will train you to do this. Once you make it to the selection board to the academy, it was my job as the commandant of whether it is a center or whether it is the academy to make sure that precisely you are able to do what you just said. Lead from the front and build your team and make them capable of mission accomplishment. That will happen. It's a long process of 18 months or in 796 periods in one term and 2 or 3 such terms, and you are a man.
Okay, Kevi, go ahead. Kevi, your question, followed by Varsha. Kevi?
Jain sir, I'm from Nagaland. I'm also an ex-NCC cadet. So here my
Wow,
question
greetings
is,
to you.
pardon,
Where in
sir?
Nagaland? Where are you from in
Uh,
Nagaland?
Sir, I'm from Dimapur district of
Yes.
Nagaland, sir.
You are in Dimapur.
Yes, sir.
Right now, where are you?
Right now I'm in Dimapur, sir.
Very good. I'll come to Dimapur. If you share your contact with me, we'll meet. Right? I
Sure,
came to
sir,
Rangapahar
definitely.
2 days ago.
Yes, sir, my house is nearby Rangapahar.
Oh, beautiful. We must meet up then.
Right, sir. Sir, my question is from your personal experience, whenever you have something to do and then sometimes we feel low in life. So is there any mantra which you say to yourself so that you can keep going?
Feeling low in life is a natural phenomenon.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, one viewfoil I skipped today because I thought you were young people, but then you asked a question which is very pertinent actually. One mantra that I can give you in life that you must do from this age that you are in, connect with yourself. In other words, let me call it practice spiritualism. What is spiritualism? Is it religious? Is it those rituals we follow as a religious fanatic? Is it being Christian? Is it being Hindu? It is being no, none of these. Spiritual is the capability of your mental elation. 2, 3 things you must remember from that, and one is Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Brahma resides in me. Man Jeete Jag Jeet, 28th verse of Guru Granth Sahib. And I connect with myself. I connect with myself. I connect with myself. That means I practice some mental elation as part of my daily routine. Once you do this, you will never feel low in life. I am father of a special child. So you can imagine my life. He is 30 years plus today. But you can imagine what it meant. So how I cope with life is what I am sharing with you.
He's a brilliant IT specialist. Brilliant.